Walter and Cordelia Knott arrived with their children in Buena Park. Through hard work and perseverance, the Knott family created a legacy that lives on today. Although a lot has changed in 100 years, the value of family is just as important as it was then. We welcome you and your family to celebrate with us. Let us honor the past through the joy and the happiness of today. Before your day of adventure begins, please join us in appreciation of our national anthem.
Hello, we made it back to Knott's Berry Farm. We're just here for a couple hours. We're gonna see what there is to eat for lunch, and then maybe go on a couple of rides and see what else is going on today. But it should be a good day. Oh, there it goes. Silver bullet. Pretty cool. Anyways, like I said, we're just here for a few hours today. We're gonna walk around the park, get some lunch with the meal plan, see what kind of things I haven't tried yet, and just have a good morning, huh? All right, come on, come hang out, do your thing. Like, subscribe, notification bells. Blah, 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 blah. This should be a good day. Crowds should be light. It's a Thursday. Kids are back at school. Well, there are some kids here, so I don't really know what's going on with that. But most kids are back at school. So it should be a pretty good day as far as crowds go. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Oh man, I just did like this 5-minute, maybe like a 2-minute bit. And I didn't even hit the record button. I just realized that now I was like filming the blacksmith and walking through Ghost Town, and I look at the camera and the red light's not even on. I was like, you dum-dum. Oh man, incredible. Well, amateur, right? Anyways, just gonna walk around, see what there is to see. Food stuff really doesn't open up till about 11, so I've got some time on that. So, I don't know, I might go on Calico Rapids first thing in the morning. Maybe not, I don't want to get wet. I gotta go to work later. But yeah, there you go. There you go. Kind of like the park first thing in the morning. Not a lot of people. Get some pretty good shots. Plenty of elbow room. Looks like they got the galloping goose out today. That thing is silly. I love how people just decide that you need to stop while I'm filming. Just keep walking. It's all good. The galloping goose. All right, it's super hot today, So I think we should make our first stop be the log ride. You don't get super soaked like Calico Rapids, and it's just a classic. Let's go do it. Oh, look at that. There's no wait. Walk right on. Got right on, got right on. Let's do this. Alright, look at this. I got the 3-seater. We got a low bridge coming up. Low bridge.
Keep your hands and arms.
I literally have to duck so I don't hit my head.
Hold on to handrails.
Alright, I haven't been on this one in a while. I know I just went on Splash Mountain at Disneyland, but man, this is a classic. Here we go! It's a vlog and a log. Let's see how many times we can make the thing say, sit down! Sit down! I just gotta keep my hands up really high and it'll go, sit down! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Here we go. Should do it right in here.
Sit down.
Sit down! Oh man, it is really warm already today. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Alright, here we go. Time for the first drop.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down, sit down. Oh, yeah! Oh, oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Oh man, not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. All right. Here's a scary bear. Ooh. Don't you do it! Okay.
Sit down.
Sit down!
Sit down.
Sit down! Oh, here we go! Here we go! Oh, oh, sit down! Sit down! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, boy! Oh, gosh, there's no one to block the water! Oh! Oh, no! Oh, man! Ah, so good! So good! I love that shot right there. Let's see if we can go again without getting out. Think they'll let us do that? Hey, can I go again? Exit and then come back around? Can I go again? Oh, dude, thank you. All right, we're going again. We're not getting out. We're just going straight through. They only let you do that like first thing in the morning when there's nobody here. So this is pretty dope.
Do not lean forward, especially during drops. Hold on to the handrails and keep your feet open.
Alright, this is actually round number 2! Round number 2! I didn't have to get off! We're doing it! Okay! Here we go, dude! Here we go! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yes! Oh, jeez Louise! Oh! Okay. Well, that was fun. Well, that was pretty freaking great, you guys. 2 rides on the log ride and I didn't have to get off. That was pretty great. Man, the sun is bright today. I don't really know what to do next. It's kind of weird like being here by yourself. Because you can do whatever, but now the problem is you just don't know what to do. Let's just go walk, huh? Let's take a walk. I am really hungry. I wish food was open now so I could eat, but I gotta wait a little bit, so that's kind of a bummer. Guess we're gonna just take a stroll down memory lane, huh? Speaking of memory lane, it's the bumper cars. I remember the bumper cars being set up with tables and you could actually eat inside of there during their food festivals last year. Super fun. We got a video on that actually. I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you guys can check that out. All right, let's check out this area over here. You can get people wet with these dynamite explosions. See if it works. There's nobody even on the boat though. Ooh. Ooh. That was fun. What does this one do? Oh. And this one. Oh dang. That's the one right there. That's the one. This is... Oh, there's nobody there. Oh, it didn't do the water the second time. Oh well. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Usually you gotta like pay a quarter to do this at other theme parks. Oh, Pony Express. Oh, it's gonna come right here. I don't know guys, this video is kind of all over the place today. I'm just kind of messing around. I'm just kind of doing whatever. So this is the Mystery Lodge area. They used to have a really cool show in here, but I don't think that's coming back. And I don't know what they're gonna do in here. Only time will tell. Okay, check it out. They have some really cool haunted shack merchandise. Got a hoodie, some magnets, some shot glasses, coffee mugs, some hats, some little drawstring bags. There's a t-shirt again. T-shirt's 20 bucks. Keychains. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, guys, the Calico Saloon is open. I don't know if there's much going on. That smells like popcorn. It smells really good. Should we go check out the saloon? Let's go in the right way, though. Bam, just like that. Just like that. Oh, it feels good in here. Whee! All right, that's the saloon. Pretty cool. They do a show in here too. But you've seen that before. We've got that in some other videos. I'll put a link in the description below to some of those other videos that we saw the show. You guys can check that out. All right, time to find some food, huh? They got Panda Express, but I am not looking for Panda Express. I'm looking for a chicken sandwich. They got some special chicken sandwiches out during the 100th anniversary, and I've already had a couple of them, and I want to make sure I get to try at least most of them before they're all gone. So we're gonna head over to Coaster's Grill and see what the menu is over there. Well, there's no line. Might as well go on it. Here we go! Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, my shins. Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I'm glad I went on this before I ate. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh, brake check. Oh gosh. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, oh gosh. Whee! All right, good time. Oh! Oh gosh! Oh man! And my shins are ruined. All right, now that we've eaten it, or now that we've ridden it, let's see what they got to eat here. Alright, so here they have the donut chicken sandwich. Okay, I guess we're doing the donut chicken sandwich. Alright, we got our donut chicken sandwich. It comes with cheese and bacon and french fries. This is literally 2 full glazed donuts. They look like little Krispy Kreme donuts with a fried chicken patty in the middle. Look at this. This thing is quite large, and it's also part of the meal plan here at Knott's Berry Farm, so no charge to me. Let's see what this is like. Oh my gosh. This is definitely a multiple napkin meal here. The chicken looks spicy. Wow. Okay, what? Alright, that's really good. The chicken is not spicy. It is perfectly cooked. It's perfectly deep fried. The donut is great. I'm pretty sure it's a Krispy Kreme donut. The bacon's good, cheese. This is really good. I highly, highly recommend this. I am going to finish this up and then keep walking around and see what there is to see. A donut chicken sandwich. What the heck? Messy. Hello! Alright guys, we are here in the saloon at the Calico Saloon here in Calico Town Square at Knott's Berry Farm. My day is almost over, but we're gonna watch a show here in a little bit. I just want to thank you guys again for hanging out today. It was a good day. That donut sandwich was ridiculously good. I don't know if I could eat that all the time, but you have to try it at least once. It is so good. And it's only gonna be around until the end of this celebration, which I think ends next week. I think. So hurry up and get down here. And hopefully they keep it around, because that's pretty good. I think they should keep around all the chicken sandwiches that they're doing. Anyways, yeah, thanks again, you guys. This is fun. I gotta get going to work, but I'll be back again soon. I think I'm gonna come back in a couple days with the kids and go on some rides and stuff. So, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later.
I see a lot of drinkings going on here. I'm loving it. Drink up now.